नमो विष्णु पदाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय
children's program and I'm studying 9th standard. Here for goal setting.
My name is Yash Kashmiri.
Hare Krishna. My name is Abhay. I am studying in 9th standard.
Hare Krishna, my name is Pratha Tiwari. Hare Krishna, my name is Lalita.
Hare Krishna, my name is Niharika Srivastava. I am doing my electronics engineering.
Hare Krishna, I am Surbhi. I am in 8th standard, Delhi Public School.
Hare Krishna, my name is Atul Kashmiri. I am in second year.
Yes.
Hare Krishna, my name is Rahul.
Hare Krishna, my name is Chandana.
Label on that, my gift to Krishna. Third prize was award. That is not it.
Hare Krishna.
This is practice not only for me. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. खाली मेरे भी नहीं, आपका गुरु को सबको ऐसा करना चाहिए. This is blindfolded rope walking between two skyscrapers.
Nice and quiet, please, everybody. Nice and quiet. Helicopter sucks.
Coming in. 3 feet.
One more step. Grab it.
1 minute. Yes, he was on the rope for 1 minute. What is the specialty of that? Can you write one by one? Ambition. Okay. Sense of
Touch.
sense of touch. Harish. Okay, now we made this face in 1 minute. But behind this 1 minute, how many steps may be involved? Many. Because इतना ऊपर जाके 1 मिनट चलने के पीछे बहुत कहानी होगा. क्या हो सकता है? This is what we should analyze in each. Now put another paper. Heart many times, okay? When you just look at it and say good, bad, you are only at mental level. But when you keep on analyzing, then this whole story is different. First step is walking on rope, because we know how to walk on the ground, but we don't know how to walk on the rope. So the first step, this is cuts out the whole thing. First. So when you want to walk on the rope, it need not be at the 5th floor. You can put here only, from here to here. So you have not practiced rope walk. What could be next?
Failures while walking on mountain.
All are taken care. You failed 10 times, you failed 100 times, you failed 1000 times. Finally you achieved how to walk. Next comes height. Then you keep on increasing height. So because now you know, yes, because you are able to see the floor, you have confidence. Even if I fall, nothing will happen, you are confident. Then comes what? You are required to do in front of 10 people. you are more influenced by your inner fears. Oh, if I fall, they may laugh, they may say something. So doing things in front of many people means removing the fear factor. Fear of failure or fear of other people. It's very important. You can do any height, but fear of failure amongst all people is very, very difficult. We have seen this video. Okay? And now we are analyzing what he would have practiced to achieve that final feat. Which you are not going to do it, but still you are able to analyze. Means staying in his shoes, you are able to analyze what he would have done, what he should be doing. If I am required to do that, what I should minimum do. You are able to analyze. If that is the case, why can't you do yourself for your own activity? This is my question. But we don't do that. Did we do that any time? How did we do
Before
that?
exams, I'm sure all the students must have prepared a timetable and decided today I'll do this many chapters. But
Okay, now I am catching one loophole in a statement. Now this man was supposed to go walk. Now he just woke up 15 days before and started walking. You can go and do it. So you are doing it. And that is different. Now Krishna is our hero. Okay, I'll change a little bit. Dhruva Maharaj. Okay, now our hero is somebody else. Who is that? Dhruva Maharaj. Our hero, 5 years old hero, Dhruva Maharaj. I have put it here. So मैं आप सबको दिया ये आपकी टेबल के ऊपर रखना है. When you get a failure, if you stop it, that is a failure. If you get a failure, it is not a failure. बताइए क्या समझ में?
If you are set a goal, you are working on something and you face failure, and you say that now I cannot do it or I won't do it, then that stopping is failure.
Your pause or stoppage is the failure. So now you see our Dhruva Maharaj, he got a failure from external point of view. That he wanted to sit in his father's lap, but he was not allowed. So that is a failure. He could not go. But he did not see that as a failure. He wants to achieve higher one. When he has that desire, yes, I should do something. I should achieve bigger things. Then he got started in direction. When the first step is somebody would prompt you to put your goals. So he met a great personality, a great trainer, Narada Muni. Then he has given guidance how to achieve, where to go, where to practice, how to practice, what Lakshya is. Everything has been told. Please go to Madhuban. Please put the Krishna's murti like this. Please chant this mantra. All this process. Now desire, whatever desire is having, when you met right person, he converted that into a goal. Goal means which is having where to achieve, how to monitor its progress. Everything when it is properly put, that is goal. You may choose to do different because you have chosen your different goal. Because now you are in the education, so your goal should be different. Around Krishna, of course, we are not debating anywhere, any point from Krishna. Krishna is our center, but we are building it. The parents say that, okay, we are going Mayapur for 10 days, Tata, you go, I am just studying my exams. I go to Prabhu's house and stay 10 days, aap chale jao. That should be then you are the real Krishna conscious. What was Dhruva Maharaj? जब जंगल में जा रहा था उनका गोल क्या था?
To attain a bigger kingdom than his father.
Higher position than his father. That's it. Is my goal. Very clear. Because he met a wonderful trainer, wonderful guide. His goal got further shifted. That is seeing the God. Okay, little explanation. Desire is which one? जो आपकी चाहत, मैं चाहता हूँ. Where There no specificity is not mentioned. When, how, where, by what means, nothing is there. But when you are very specific, by this time, by this way, by analyzing these things, these are my targets, these are my goals, these are my review points, these are my resources. ये सब चीज जब फिक्स हो जाते हैं, that converted. Understand? Is it not converting the desire into a deliverable action points? That is good. Understand? So I have some plans. Okay. Everybody will come and write 2 goals. So we'll have some common goals also that everybody should achieve. So this is Dhruv 2015 goal sheet, and each kid will have one sheet. They have to write their name and parents' name. Then the deity name. आप घर में कृष्णा कौन है? कृष्णा का नाम लिखना चाहिए. तो कृष्णा के बिना हम अचीव नहीं कर सकते. तो हमें याद करना चाहिए who is the Krishna at my home. Then these are 4 common goals I have already typed here. और individual goals वो finalize होने के बाद आपको यहाँ लिखना होगा. Okay. And you can sign here, and I will sign here. And you should stick this in front of on your table, on your study table. Study table के ऊपर इसको चिपकाना. So that you are seeing the whole every day. You are watching this in front of you. Understand? So that once in 4 months you will come back, and on your book will give a stamp, visa stamp. Good, going ahead. Okay, first step is playing or exercising 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your time. Okay, the first, everybody should do it. कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा कर रहे कि नहीं? Everybody should buy one diary. Then you can write, okay, whether on that day you have done or not. Next, number 2, everybody should own one Bhagavad Gita copy. But I would advise everybody to have a special Bhagavad Gita, children. ये वाला दे दो. ये special Bhagavad Gita, so that the whole life, name nicely typed, put it, personal copy. Then my gift to Krishna. Do you give it to Krishna something? So every month you should ask your parents something. Of course, they give you some money as pocket money. So take out something every month and put. Okay. So keep a box, put a label on that, my gift to Krishna, and start collecting funds. That is a good goal. And see that during Janmashtami day, you give a gift to your Krishna at home, and you give gift to Radha Madan Mohan. So probably we can give on the Balram Jayanti day or Janmashtami day. So all Karga devoted children's gift to Krishna. You can give maybe 50 kgs cake or whatever. Next, attending minimum 15 Sundays programs in Radha Madan Mohan in a year. Now we have decided the individual goals. How do you convert goals? Do you play cricket in your school? Huh? Okay. How do you convert that cricket goal?
This year there was children's program. I'm trying to get any medals. I will be a best monitor in whole subjects.
In all subjects, in all subjects. Okay, right. Best monitor in all subjects. What is second? You will make him to memorize Hare Krishna mantra.
I will tell him to speak one word.
One word. Which word?
Like ha, ra, a, hare.
Okay. Oh, good. Teaching Hare Krishna mantra to younger brother. To teach my younger brother Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Jai Hari Ram. Yes.
Out of 50 she got 43 in maths. So now she need to get more than 47, 45.
48.
48.
50, yeah. That is called goal.
Get
Okay. All the best. Hare Krishna. So presently we are put at 80%. Next year we work hard, we take special training, special everything. In 9th, you may go to 90s. By 10th, you start learning keyboard. So that in next 2 years you become expert. Huh? You see, sometimes you can't find them. All the best. It's good, no problem. Yes. Oh, yes. That's important. Very important.
Complete 100 meter and 36.
He has
90% of the 8-7.
Very big. Rather you can you know harmony. So for that, what are the 3 projects? Okay, this is good. Next year, put up them. That music, that kirtan, make her to scale at least 10 different kirtan cars. आपने जो लिखा है गोल को याद करते हुए हरे कृष्णा मंत्र करके एवरीबॉडी विल कट एंड टेक दैट कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, children have set their 2 goals and they will try their hard, and this way they will get their right path in their life also, and they will be able to achieve what desire they're having in their mind. So this program was amazing, Prabhuji. Thank you that you are inspiring all the younger children, and we are very grateful to you. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Today we had our goal setting session. We were guided by His Grace Vaishnavangiri Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, I'm Niharika. We had a great goal setting session, and all of us, all my friends and everyone here have set wonderful goals.
I have done my 2 goals. First is I will get full marks in maths. Second is I will not fight with my brother.
Today we came for the goal setting session. Then Prabhuji gave us this paper as Dhruv 2015, and we also have our 4 common goals.
Hare Krishna. Today's goal setting was fantastic.
Today's program was very nice. We were given sheets. We had to note down our 2 goals, and then we had 5 cakes. We all children cut the cake individually.
Hare Krishna. In Bhakti, we have the letters for Sambandh, Abhiday and Prayojan. To achieve our Prayojan, the most important is to be in the habit of setting the goals and in the habit of achieving them and celebrating the success and going to the next goal. The children who have set their goals are very fortunate and will climb the ladder to achieve the ultimate objective of this life. Thank you, Prabhuji, and thank you all the children who have attended this workshop.
Buy one special Bhagavad Gita for them. There is special Bhagavad Gita available from BBT. So one of the goals common for all the children is to own a Bhagavad Gita. So owning means writing their name, and so lifelong it will be their property. We have to support them to achieve those goals. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Ram, Hare Ram,
Hare Ram, Hare Ram,
Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Shri Radha Mahaprasadam ki
Jai.
goal setting festival feast ki